Hi, this is Stan. Welcome back to the Crow's Nest Railroad. Not at home, we're out at the Adobe Western Railroad Park, run by the Maricopa Live Steamers, and I've got my trusty 7.5 inch gauge number 3. Bob is here with me. You know Bob, we feature him all the time on the channel. He and I are going to take the train and we're going to run up to the Sahuaro Central 15 inch gauge railroad, where we have a little project to do, and we thought that would be kind of fun to see that. So we'll be right back and we're going to hit the rails. All right, you can see the yard's pretty empty this morning, except for Bob and I. And we're going to head off on one of the subdivisions here called Pottsville, and we're going to head up from the yard here. We're going to head up to where the 15 inch gauge railroad is, and we got a little project we want to do, and Bob has agreed to help me out. He's going to drive a little bit so I can take some pictures of the number 3. I never get to see it in motion when I'm not behind the wheel. So Bob will help us out. Let's head out. Bob's gonna bring it on in. We're gonna park it on the siding here and go see what's going on over at the 15 inch. Alrighty, we're parked on the spur here up at the Sahuaro Central, so let's see what's going on here. Okay guys, what are we looking at here?
It's a Wagner.
A Wagner. Fill me in. Steam?
It's actually a steam locomotive made by the Wagner Company. It's a 14 inch gauge locomotive.
14 inch gauge, actual steam.
It was donated in 2004 to the Historical Preservation Society. And we have had it sitting out here because we don't have 14 inch gauge track.
Oh.
We have gone to 15 inch gauge on the new Sahuaro Central. So in this case, why we have a beautiful steam locomotive that may or may not operate, but it only does so on 14 inch gauge track.
So to display at this point.
Display at this point.
There it goes.
Gonna push this back by hand. I'll save you the butt shots. Here's what we have to put this underneath the front of the locomotive. Okay, so what we're going to try and do is crane the front end of that locomotive up. You see we got a little gantry thing going on here. And so we're going to lift that thing up and put that little truck underneath the front. This is the Hurlbut. It's a gasoline-powered locomotive.
Right there.
Until we get the steam engine finished, this is kind of the main loco here at Sahuaro Central, where we pull the public with
You're
it.
gonna pick it up by the company? Not yet. No, you got about 3 more inches.
Now,
Now, the bridge coming to full.
yeah. Let it send you with eyes. Let it down.
Back there. Up, down, up.
Hold on. Okay, keep going. Yeah, we're good. Lower. We're good. Okay.
Are we on?
Oh, wait.
Hey, as long as we're here, we're going to start this thing up, do a little test run. Check out that new
Because they put them in here.
set of wheels on the front.
So going. Gas.
What a cool car barn this is. Wow. A little bit bigger than the one on the Crow's Nest Railroad. Well, that was a fun little project, and you got to see the Hurlbut just a little bit. Bob's off to do another chore. I'm going to get the number 3, and we're going to head back to Adobe. Well, we had some fun with the number 3 and a couple of projects, so that's great. Thanks for joining us this week on the Crow's Nest Railroad. See you right here next time.